Just got to Manchester Airport, on my way to Riga, and then I'm going to do some wild camping, go to Estonia, go to Finland. This is my new camera, nice little vlogging camera instead of my GoPro, and the audio hopefully might be better as well. It's a bit close to my face though. It's the weirdest thing, this airport is literally like dead. I'm like by myself and walking around Manchester Airport. It's like 11:30 and I'm camping here tonight. It's freezing. Look at that smoke. This is my bed for the night. Great stuff. I'm gonna bed down, get some sleep, check in like 5 hours. I've got like a 12-hour journey until I can actually do anything. Good night. So I managed to get to Riga. It's freezing and I'm just waiting for my bus to Tallinn in Estonia. Just found some nice little park with a fountain and some autumn trees and stuff. It's all very nice. I think I'm going to try and buy some toothpaste at some point today though. I'm a bit smelly. Sick. We've just crashed. Literally staying here for another hour because we have no bus. Sick. My bus broke down, crashed even, and the driver was mental. I've made it to Tallinn. I'm in my hostel like 3 hours later than planned. So I'm gonna go out and get some food, get a few beers because I need it.